While less intense than running, walking outshines it in terms of sustainable, effective results, and there's a clear reason why. As a low-impact exercise, walking suits people of all fitness levels and can be easily incorporated into daily routines. However, like any exercise, walking alone isn't enough for noticeable change. Pairing it with calorie control, a balanced diet, and other factors is essential. But how much walking is necessary to reach that elusive 10% body fat? Are 10,000 steps per day enough, or is more required? In this video, I'll explore why walking is an underrated tool for fat loss and the number of steps you need for a lean body. Stay tuned till the end, where I'll share tips for fitting walking into your life without it feeling like a chore. Walking and running are both effective for fat loss, but if I had to choose, I'd pick walking for several reasons. Sustainability. First, consider how long you can sustain the exercise. Walking doesn't exhaust you like running does, so you can walk longer, burning more calories over time. Running, while more intense, requires more recovery and drains energy, so it's often limited to short sessions. But with walking, you can maintain the activity longer, which can lead to more significant fat loss in the long run. Another advantage of walking is its lower risk of injury. Risk of injury. Runners are more prone to injuries, often due to knee and joint overuse. For those with knee, ankle, or back issues, walking is a safer choice. Starting a routine with walking also makes it easier to sustain a healthy lifestyle as we age, when high-impact activities may become more challenging. While some runners describe running as a spiritual experience, walking offers its own mental and emotional benefits. Running is more physically demanding and can increase hunger, making it harder to maintain a caloric deficit, which is critical for fat loss. In contrast, walking doesn't leave you as famished. Interference effect. Some argue that long-distance running is better, but it can actually increase muscle protein breakdown and hinder muscle growth. Walking, being low intensity, doesn't interfere with muscle growth and even helps preserve lean muscle, which burns more calories at rest. This combination of walking and strength training can support long-term fat loss. Mental and emotional health. Walking also supports mental and emotional health. Some people find it meditative, especially when done outdoors, and it can boost creativity by up to 60% according to a Stanford study. Additionally, a 10-minute walk can relieve anxiety as effectively as a 45-minute workout. So, if sustainable calorie burn is your goal, walking is the way to go. Running often leads to greater hunger and fatigue, making it harder to sustain. Walking daily, combined with a healthy diet, can help you lose fat and build muscle. Now let's discuss how much walking is needed to achieve your goals. For most people, 8,000–10,000 steps daily provide maximum health benefits, with 6,000–8,000 steps sufficing for those over 60. However, walking alone isn't enough. Diet plays a key role in body fat reduction. An average guideline is 8,000 steps per day. For example, if you work outside, you may hit 8,000 steps naturally, but if you work from home, you might need to be more intentional. According to Harvard Medical School, a 30-minute walk, around 3,000 steps, burns roughly 150 calories. A 40-minute walk, or about 4,000 steps, burns about 200 calories. Personally, I maintained a healthy diet, monitored my calorie intake, and lifted weights, which got my body fat to about 16%. But to reach 10%, I added a 30–40-minute daily walk, and it made all the difference. If walking alone starts to feel too easy, here are ways to increase intensity without shifting to running. 1. Add inclines. Walking uphill or on an incline can double calorie burn. 2. Walk on sand. Walking on sand adds resistance, boosting calorie burn while being gentle on joints. 3. Increase your speed. Walking at a brisk pace requires more from your heart, lungs, and muscles. 4. Wear a weighted vest or backpack. Adding weight increases calorie burn without straining your joints. For weight loss, walking shouldn't feel like a chore. Integrate it naturally into your day. Take work calls while walking. Walk when stressed. Enjoy an after-dinner walk to aid digestion. Use a treadmill while watching TV. Park further away from your destination. Invite friends for a walk instead of a coffee date. Incorporating walking into your routine supports both physical and mental health while helping you reach body goals. Just remember, daily walking paired with a balanced diet is the formula for the best results. Watch the next video to learn even more.